I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. We've got Shay, the ice cream queen, is here. Also Trey from Austen University, and we're gonna get to you in a second, Trey, but Shay, we've got to talk about the ice cream on the table.
Yes, we do. So I'm super excited that 2 new places opened up recently, especially this one. This one is Good and Happy Co., and they actually are a hidden gem in Perry, Utah.
Okay, is this an ice cream taco?
This is an ice cream taco.
Okay.
She has multiple flavors like pineapple raspberry, blueberry, strawberry, and she just fills her ice cream with it.
Okay.
And she is a specialty type of ice cream where she does the fresh fruit ice cream, and the real fruit ice cream. So she'll put the fruit in, put the ice cream in, and just blend it.
Okay.
And it's just amazing.
So delicious. And it's kind of like a surprise.
That?
Oh yeah, I got it. I'm breaking it.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Look at that.
That's pineapple raspberry. So good.
Ooh. Oh, look, and it's got that layer in it. You can see the two-tone going on.
Yeah.
Super good.
She's brand new and she's seasonal, so we need to take advantage of her now in the summer.
Well,
so
that's
she's
it.
great.
Strike while the iron is cold, as they say, right? Oh, delicious. Okay,
yeah.
so what else do you have here?
So this one's a new one also. It's Creamworks, and it's opened up in Highland. And they also do premium ice cream flavors, and I loved these 2 especially. This one's honeycomb, and this one's Coco Loco, which is a rich chocolate with cheesecake bites and Oreos. And chocolate ganache, and it's just decadent and delicious.
Okay, my mouth is watering.
That was my favorite.
But
yeah, they're awesome. They just opened like a month and a half ago, so they're brand new.
So these are all things that we can try. They're all local.
Yep.
Go and enjoy. Now, we've got Trey that has been the strong stoic type here for a minute, but you're doing a collaboration with Austen University. Tell us about it.
Yes. So Austen University is, you should tell me about it.
Austen University is a witty fusion of all the Jane Austen novels thrown together on a modern college campus. So you get to see all the characters interacting and become friends. I play Mr. Darcy, and it's super exciting.
This is our
Mr. Darcy.
dark and handsome.
Yeah,
so I did some flavors in collaboration with some of the characters, and so the Mr. Darcy was the dark,
of course,
handsome type, and so I created this recipe that's dark chocolate ice cream with Oreos and a salted caramel, because he's still sweet.
Yes.
But he's also just got this little bitter rough side.
He's a little snarky, right?
Yeah,
He's just got a little edge to him.
But then to make it more fun, I added the companion that pairs perfectly as ice creams, as the flavors do. And so this one's the Lizzie.
Okay.
So obviously it's his companion, and this one is a brown sugar cinnamon toffee ice cream. And
yeah, I think I need to try the Lizzie.
Addictive. It's so addictive, but they work so well together. That's what's so fun about the flavors.
I have to ask, Trey, have you tried yourself yet?
You tried your flavor?
I haven't, and I'm so excited too.
Yeah, and all my recipes are on my Instagram page, icecream.foodie.
Awesome, and we can catch up with you. And how can we get involved with this, Trey?
You can check us out and contribute at austenu.com, AUSTNU.com. We are currently crowdfunding to film our pilot episode.
Yeah. So they need
we're going big
all
time.
of our help. Yeah,
we're going Hollywood, and I love. There's nothing that like ice cream summer, a little fun with Jane Austen. This is a perfect combo, and I have to say, this is the best ice cream I've ever had.
Thanks.
It's so good. So one more time, how can we keep up with you guys and follow you as well?
You can follow them on their page as well, Austen University, and just go to their website and help contribute to make this a reality so that you can one day sit down and binge watch those episodes while eating this ice cream.
I love it. Well, thank you. The ice cream queen has been here, and she definitely did not disappoint. Thanks so much for being here.
You're welcome.